Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking prerequisites. Update the YouTube app or choose a browser. You need background playback permission or YouTube Premium for uninterrupted audio. Once done, adjust battery and data saver settings so the system won't kill the app when the screen turns off. Make sure lock screen controls are allowed. If you prefer a workaround, open YouTube in a browser tab and prepare to switch to desktop mode. This matters because the browser method behaves differently than the app. Next, enable the chosen playback path. If you have YouTube Premium, go to Settings, Background, and Downloads and toggle background playback. That lets audio continue when locked. If using a browser, request the desktop site, start the video, then switch apps and use the notification or control center to resume audio. This keeps sound when the screen is off. Once done, try picture-in-picture where supported. Make sure you understand trade-offs. Browser hacks may be less stable than Premium. Finally, lock your device and verify playback continues from the lock screen controls or notification shade. If audio stops, first reopen the app or browser and press play. Sometimes the OS suspends background tasks and a quick resume fixes it. If problems persist, disable battery optimization for YouTube, check background data permissions, or try toggling airplane mode briefly to reset network. One troubleshooting tip: clear the app cache or restart the phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.